Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best gardening raised garden bed on the market. The Meberam 2-pack 6x3x1FT Galvanized Raised Garden Beds Kit. If you're looking to elevate your gardening game, whether it's vegetables, herbs, or flowers, this might just be the perfect solution for your outdoor space. Right from the start, the Meberam raised garden beds stand out due to their size and versatility. Each bed measures 72 inches long, 36 inches wide, and 12 inches high, providing a generous growing area that's ideal for a variety of plants. The 2-pack means you get plenty of room to expand your garden or separate different crops to optimize their growth. One of the key features of these beds is their sturdy construction. They are made from thick galvanized steel, which not only gives them excellent strength but also ensures long-lasting durability. Unlike some garden beds that might warp or degrade quickly under the elements, the galvanized coating protects against rust and wear, so these beds hold up well even after seasons of use. The design includes 3 additional horizontal connecting rods across the sides, adding extra stability to prevent twisting or tipping, making sure your plants stay safe and secure. Another great design aspect is the open bottom feature. This allows for natural drainage, which is crucial for healthy soil and root systems. With proper drainage, your plants avoid waterlogging, promoting healthier and more productive growth. Plus, this design keeps the soil conditions just right without trapping excess water. Assembly is a breeze with this product. Unlike some gardening kits that can take hours or require complicated tools, the Meberam raised garden beds come with a simplified, tool-free assembly process. The entire setup requires only about 30 screws and no special tools, making it convenient for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. The package includes everything needed to get started right away. Safety is another priority here. The garden beds feature a non-toxic coating, so you can plant your vegetables and herbs with peace of mind. The coating won't leach harmful chemicals into your soil, which is important if you want to grow organic or edible plants. The sleek silver finish not only adds a modern look to your garden but also complements any outdoor decor. Over time, the galvanized steel tends to develop a charming patina that many gardeners find attractive, blending naturally with the surrounding greenery. These beds are also quite lightweight, making it easier to reposition them if you want to rearrange your garden layout throughout the seasons. Despite their light weight, the construction is robust enough to handle large volumes of soil and heavy plants without compromising stability. Whether you have a small yard, patio, or a larger garden area, the modular design of these beds allows you to customize your planting space efficiently. You can use multiple beds to create neat, organized sections for different types of plants, which helps reduce the risk of pests and diseases spreading across your garden. In summary, the Meberam 2-pack 6x3x1FT Galvanized Raised Garden Beds Kit offers a winning combination of durability, ease of use, and smart design features. If you want a raised bed that will serve you season after season with minimal fuss and maximum results, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review or want to see more garden product insights, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Happy gardening!